Okay, so now we're going to look at linked lists under the hood. So we're going to start with our diagram like this. And when we append an item, when we say this is equal to this and tail points to this, and we add this into the list, what is really going on to make that happen? So to understand that, you have to understand first what the node is. So first of all, the node is all of this. It is not only the value, it is also the pointer. Both of these together make up the node. So still, what is it? It's essentially a dictionary where value is 4 and next is equal to none. So this isn't exactly how this works. You can't use the same syntax to access it, but you'll see it's very similar as we get to the end of this video. But you can think of it like this. So when you add this to the linked list, the 7 node also is a dictionary. But how do we have the 7 node point to the 4 node? We do it by just having the next value of that 7 node be the 4 node. And the same is true of the 23 node and the 3 node and the 11 node. And then we have head pointing to it, and then we have tail point to the last item. So this is basically what's happening when you see this. So let's flip it back to this and look at this in VS Code. So up here we have a variable named head, and we just set it equal to this set of nested dictionaries. So I have a line down here of code that is going to print out the number 23 right here. So if you look at how we're going to have to traverse this, we're going to have to start at head, and then we're going to say next, and then next again, and then value. And that's what we're going to do down here with this print statement. Head, next, next, value. So I'm just going to run this, and we get our number 23 here. Now, if this was a linked list, and this code is not going to work right now, I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and I'm going to uncomment this. If this was a linked list, we would say print my linked list dot head dot next dot next dot value, and you would print out the number 23. So the syntax is a little bit different than if you're going to use dictionaries. But this idea that you're going to have these be in different places in memory, one points to the next, the syntax is very similar. You can think about it as a set of nested dictionaries. And that is linked lists under the hood.